Many people are using medical cannabis to help with various medical conditions. While medical cannabis can be a great way to find relief, it's important to use it safely and responsibly. Cannabis is a powerful medicine that can positively affect your health. Here are some tips on how to do just that. Start with a low dose and increase gradually as needed. Be mindful of the potential for side effects and drug interactions. Know your source. Make sure you're getting your medical cannabis from a reputable source. Don't drive while under the influence of cannabis. We hope these tips will help you use medical cannabis safely and responsibly. Remember, start with a low dose and increase gradually as needed. Be mindful of the potential for side effects and drug interactions. And always know your source. If you have any questions about using medical cannabis, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider. For more information, contact Naples Marijuana Doctors, Compassionate Healthcare at 833-633-3665.